just made a video and I accidentally, messed it up. If you're wondering why I'm not using my normal voice, well, which is my Australian, because I am, but right now I'm using my American accent. This is my normal voice. Well, no, it's not my normal voice. It's my normal voice, but it's a little bit not as noticeable that I'm Australian. So yeah, basically what I did was at the end I just screamed. So I may want to do it again, but not right now. But should I? I'm gonna do the roar. That wasn't as good. I don't know. Hurt my throat. Anyhow, I'm just gonna keep the video on the 10 minutes so I can get those mid-roll ads when I won't even probably be able to get normal ads. Yeah. I'm not gonna be qualifying my age. All I'm gonna say is I'm a preteen. That's what I said. I told my, well, I didn't tell my age, but I told the range. The range of my age is 12 to 17. Actually, no, it's 16. So somewhere in that range, you guys will have to find out. My cat's trying to get out my mom's room. Yeah. So I'm recording this on Christmas Eve, and I'm probably gonna make another funny noise. Epic poggers. That's not gonna be as good as the first one. All I can say is monkey, monkey, monkey. Monkey. Monkey, monkey, monk. And now if it would let me stop doing the video, please.